Let's start with, okay, since we mentioned Bill Gates earlier, GMO mosquitoes are being released into Africa. Is that positive or not positive?
Okay, I'll leave it for you to decide because ethicists are debating exactly this question. Actually, GMO mosquitoes have been around for a little while now. I think 2019 was the first ones that were deployed. They've been in Cayman Islands, in India, and actually Texas and Florida. And for the second time, they've been deployed into Africa, first time on the Horn in Djibouti. There was a previous one in some other area of Africa, I can't remember. And it's to, but here's the funny, okay, sometimes it's all about branding, right? So it's this British company called Oxitec. Is that what they called? Yeah, Oxitec. And this is their branding. These are called Djibouti Friendly Mosquito Program. That's what it is, the Djibouti. And the head of Oxitec, a guy named Gray Franson, he told the BBC, quote, "We have built good mosquitoes that do not bite, they do not transmit disease. And when we release these friendly mosquitoes, they seek out and mate with wild types of female mosquitoes."
And they sterilize them, that's the idea.
Yeah, so the females will have offspring, the female offspring will not survive, and you know, that's how they get rid of it. The problem is, I mean, there's a lot of issues, right? There's no long-term studies to know what the impact is going to be on the ecosystem. Lots of things eat, you know, mosquitoes. You have to keep reintroducing them because over time, the population will come back. So that's costly and logistically difficult. Also, it's not going to kill every single one. Some will survive. Unfortunately. So we're creating some sort of superbug and we don't know what the impacts of that are going to be.
I will just say, I did read one analysis like a long time ago, I think it was even before the pandemic, that said that if you eliminate mosquitoes, it would actually have a negligible effect on most ecosystems.
Well, okay, so recently, a study was just published last month. So recently a bunch of bioethicists got together to discuss exactly that. Is it okay to exterminate an entire species of something? As
if
humans,
it's mosquitoes, I would say yes.
So what they discovered is they said yes, but in very limited circumstances it would be okay.
Mosquito.
The mosquito was on the question mark list. They came up, what's this worm called? Anyway, there's one kind of worm, I can't remember what it's called, I'll find, one kind of worm which, lays its parasite, it lays its eggs, which has a parasite, and basically these are flesh-eating.
Horrifying.
So that they were thinking maybe in humans and livestock, they're thinking maybe that could be a good candidate. But for mosquitoes, they said there actually isn't enough information known about their role in the entire ecosystem. So they suggest instead of getting rid of the mosquitoes, that you can get rid of the thing that actually causes malaria in the mosquitoes. So mosquitoes flying around biting you, maybe that's fine, but what we want to do is eradicate the malaria. So that's the route that they were suggesting.
Okay, just trust these people though. A lot of these bioethicists, you know, they propose eliminating humans because we're a threat to the planet as well.
Indeed. Okay, just a fun fact. Does anybody on the panel know the only country in the world that does not have mosquitoes?
Antarctica?
Oh, that's not a country.
Greenland?
Iceland, that's right. It is indeed Iceland. We have a theme. Iceland is apparently the only country in the world.
Yeah, but if they warm it enough with the geothermal, they may get them.
Yes, that's possibly true. Okay, so it seems like there's a bit of a theme in the first two stories. People creating baby dolls, people creating GMO mosquitoes. I feel like people playing God. Tiffany, any opinion on that?
Well, if you get rid of the mosquitoes, you can't have movies like Jurassic Park.
You can still have the movie.
How are they getting the dinosaur blood?
You can't bring the dinosaurs
But they're the fossils. We won't get rid of, I mean, our future selves won't be able to bring back.
All right, I know exactly what you're thinking. That was a great clip you just watched. Now, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure to follow and also check out either these videos or maybe they're on this side. I don't know which side they're on, but we set it up. So these are the videos that YouTube is suggesting to you as the best ones that you'll probably like the most. So check them out, this side,